Good day everybody, today I'll be showing you how to create a ticker. A ticker is what you use to display an announcement on your screen when an important notification comes up in your service or during any occasion. Let's proceed. First, you're going to open vMix. Once you open vMix, you come to add input. On your add input, you come to title, then you see GT ticker. GT ticker, you click on it. You choose the desired of your choice. Let's use this one. Okay, we have something nice, for example. Let's say today is today is the child dedication of Mr. Moses. For example, something like this. If I should put this on the screen, okay, I mistakenly touch setting. Let's push it. Something like this. You're going to be seeing this. Let me put a background so we can understand this better. Let's put a video. The video. Then I have this as a ticker. This was happening. Something like this, like an announcement. If you found this useful, go ahead, click the subscribe button, share this video. See you other time. Have a nice day.